If you're new here, we're all about exploring timeless wisdom and practical tips for living a more mindful and fulfilling life. Today we're diving into the profound teachings of Buddhism to help you master your mind. Have you ever wondered how to gain control over your thoughts and master your mind? Today we'll uncover 8 Buddhist secrets to help you achieve just that. As the great Gautama Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think you become." This powerful quote highlights the significance of our thoughts and how they shape our reality. In this video, we'll explore 8 essential practices from Buddhism that can help you harness the power of your mind. These secrets have been practiced for centuries, providing people with tools to find inner peace, clarity, and strength. Whether you're new to Buddhism or looking to deepen your practice, these insights can be incredibly transformative. Secret 1. Mindfulness meditation. This practice is foundational in Buddhism and is essential for mastering your mind. Mindfulness meditation is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It helps you observe your thoughts without judgment, allowing you to develop a deeper awareness of your mental processes. Gautama Buddha emphasized the importance of mindfulness, saying, "Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment." Mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to your breath, body sensations, and thoughts as they arise and pass away. The key is to observe without getting caught up in them, which helps create a sense of inner calm and clarity. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you train your mind to become more focused and less reactive to distractions and stressors. A practical tip to get started is to begin with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. As you become more comfortable with this practice, you can gradually increase the duration of your meditation sessions. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of daily mindfulness can make a significant difference in your mental well-being. Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine can help you cultivate a more peaceful and centered mind. Over time, you'll likely find that you're better able to manage stress, stay focused, and maintain a positive outlook on life. By being fully present in each moment, you can unlock a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you, truly embodying the wisdom of Buddha's teachings. Secret 2. Embrace impermanence. This profound teaching from Buddhism can significantly alter how we perceive and react to life's challenges. Understanding that everything is temporary can reduce stress and anxiety, helping us navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease. Gautama Buddha taught, "All conditioned things are impermanent. When one sees this with wisdom, one turns away from suffering." Embracing impermanence means recognizing that all experiences, emotions, and situations are fleeting. This understanding can liberate us from the constant cycle of craving and aversion that often leads to suffering. By accepting the transient nature of life, we can cultivate a sense of peace and resilience, knowing that difficult times will pass and moments of joy are to be cherished without clinging to them. A practical tip to incorporate this understanding into your life is to reflect regularly on the transient nature of life. Take a few moments each day to contemplate how everything from the seasons to our emotions is in a state of constant change. Practice letting go of attachments to material things and outcomes, recognizing that holding on tightly only leads to more suffering. For instance, if you find yourself stressed about a particular situation, remind yourself that this too shall pass and focus on what you can learn from the experience rather than on the outcome. By embracing impermanence, you can develop a more balanced and flexible mindset. This shift in perspective allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and equanimity. It encourages you to appreciate the present moment without becoming overly attached to it, fostering a deeper sense of contentment and inner peace. Remember, the more you embrace the flow of life, the more you can find harmony within it, embodying the wisdom of Buddha's timeless teachings. Secret 3. Cultivate compassion. This powerful practice is central to Buddhist teachings and can profoundly transform your mental state. Compassion for others can reduce negative emotions, such as anger and envy, and foster a sense of connection and empathy. Gautama Buddha emphasized the importance of compassion, stating, "If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete." Cultivating compassion means developing a genuine concern for the well-being of others, which can lead to greater emotional balance and a more positive outlook on life. When we act with compassion, we not only help those around us, but also enhance our own mental and emotional health. Compassion allows us to see beyond our own struggles and recognize the shared human experience, thereby reducing feelings of isolation and enhancing our sense of belonging. A practical tip to cultivate compassion is to practice loving-kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves sending positive thoughts and wishes first to yourself, then to your loved ones, and eventually to people you find challenging. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Start by repeating silently, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." After a few minutes, extend these wishes to a loved one. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease. Gradually, include others in your meditation, even those you have conflicts with, fostering a sense of universal compassion. By regularly practicing loving-kindness meditation, you can nurture a compassionate mindset that positively impacts both your inner world and your interactions with others. This practice helps to soften your heart, making you more patient and understanding. Over time, you'll notice a reduction in negative emotions and an increase in feelings of joy and contentment. Embracing compassion not only enriches your life, but also aligns you with the core of Buddha's teachings, creating a ripple effect of kindness and understanding in the world around you. Secret 4. Practice non-attachment. This concept is often misunderstood, so let's clarify it. Non-attachment doesn't mean not caring. It means not clinging. Gautama Buddha taught, "You only lose what you cling to," emphasizing the freedom that comes with letting go of our tight grip on outcomes and possessions. Practicing non-attachment involves engaging fully in life and relationships without becoming overly dependent on specific results. It encourages us to appreciate experiences and people for what they are, rather than what we want them to be. This approach can lead to a more balanced and peaceful mind, as we are not constantly striving for control over every aspect of our lives. A practical tip for practicing non-attachment is to focus on your actions and intentions rather than the results. When you engage in any activity, whether it's work, a hobby, or a relationship, put your heart into it, but let go of the need to control the outcome. For example, if you're working on a project, concentrate on doing your best without obsessing over the final result. Similarly, in relationships, invest in being present and supportive without attaching your happiness to the other person's actions or responses. By practicing non-attachment, you can reduce stress and anxiety that often come from trying to control every aspect of life. This mindset allows you to enjoy the journey rather than fixating solely on the destination. You become more resilient in the face of challenges and more appreciative of the present moment. Embracing non-attachment aligns with Buddha's teachings, offering a path to inner peace and freedom. It empowers you to live fully and authentically, experiencing life's richness without the burden of clinging. Secret 5. Develop right understanding, wisdom. Now, let's explore the 5th secret. Develop right understanding, also known as wisdom. This practice is a critical component of the Buddha's Eightfold Path and involves seeing things as they truly are. Gautama Buddha taught, "The root of suffering is attachment. highlighting the importance of understanding the true nature of reality to alleviate suffering. Right understanding requires us to see beyond illusions and misconceptions, recognizing the impermanent and interconnected nature of all things. This wisdom helps us make sense of our experiences and guides us toward more skillful and compassionate actions. By cultivating right understanding, we can navigate life with greater clarity and reduce the mental afflictions that arise from ignorance and delusion. A practical tip to develop right understanding is to study Buddhist teachings and reflect on their meanings in daily life. Engage with key texts such as the Dhammapada or the Four Noble Truths. Take time to contemplate their relevance to your own experiences and observe how they manifest in your thoughts, actions, and interactions. For example, consider the concept of impermanence and notice how everything around you, from the changing seasons to your own emotions, is in a constant state of flux. By regularly studying and reflecting on Buddhist teachings, you can deepen your insight into the nature of reality and cultivate a more profound wisdom. This practice encourages you to question your assumptions and view situations from a broader perspective. Over time, right understanding can transform your approach to life, leading to more mindful and compassionate choices. Embracing this wisdom aligns you with Buddha's teachings, offering a pathway to greater peace, enlightenment, and freedom from suffering. Secret 6. Right effort. This crucial aspect of the Buddha's Eightfold Path focuses on cultivating positive states of mind and eliminating the negative ones. Gautama Buddha advised, "Just as a solid rock is not shaken by the storm, even so the wise are not affected by praise or blame," emphasizing the importance of steadfast effort in maintaining mental balance and resilience. Right effort involves actively working to foster wholesome qualities like kindness, compassion, and mindfulness while simultaneously striving to abandon unwholesome thoughts and behaviors such as anger, jealousy, and greed. This dual approach helps create a more positive and harmonious mental state, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with greater equanimity. A practical tip for practicing right effort is to be diligent in maintaining a positive mindset and gently redirect negative thoughts when they arise. Start by becoming more aware of your mental patterns. When you notice a negative thought or emotion, acknowledge it without judgment, and then consciously shift your focus to something positive or constructive. For example, if you find yourself feeling envious, take a moment to reflect on what you are grateful for and redirect your thoughts towards appreciation and joy. Consistently applying right effort can transform your mental landscape, making it more conducive to peace and happiness. By nurturing positive states of mind and diligently working to let go of negativity, you can build a resilient and joyful inner world. This practice aligns with Buddha's teachings, guiding you towards a more enlightened and fulfilling life. Remember, right effort is about persistence and patience. With consistent practice, you can achieve a balanced and serene state of mind, embodying the wisdom of Buddha in your daily life. Secret 7. Use of mantras. In Buddhism, mantras are powerful tools for focusing the mind and cultivating inner peace. Gautama Buddha taught, "The mind is everything. What you think you become," emphasizing the profound influence of our thoughts on our reality. Mantras are sacred sounds, words or phrases that are repeated rhythmically during meditation or throughout the day to help center the mind and evoke specific qualities or states of consciousness. Chanting mantras can have a calming effect on the mind, helping to quiet mental chatter and deepen our connection to our inner selves. A practical tip for incorporating mantras into your practice is to try chanting Om Mani Padme Hum. This ancient Tibetan mantra is known for its ability to purify the mind and generate compassion. Sit comfortably in a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then begin chanting Om Mani Padme Hum in a gentle, rhythmic manner. As you chant, focus your attention on the sound of the mantra and the sensations in your body. Allow the vibrations of the mantra to resonate within you, guiding you into deeper states of consciousness. By regularly chanting mantras, you can cultivate a sense of peace, clarity, and connection to the divine within yourself. These sacred sounds serve as a bridge between the outer world and the inner realms of consciousness, helping you tap into your innate wisdom and compassion. Incorporating mantras into your daily routine can enrich your spiritual practice and align you with the wisdom of Buddha's teachings. Secret 8. Awareness of suffering, dukkha. Now let's explore the 8th and final secret, awareness of suffering, known in Buddhism as dukkha. Acknowledging the reality of suffering is the first step to overcoming it. Gautama Buddha famously taught, "Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional," highlighting the importance of understanding the nature of suffering and its causes. Dukkha refers to the inherent unsatisfactoriness and impermanence of life. It encompasses physical and emotional pain, as well as the sense of dissatisfaction that arises from clinging to transient phenomena. By recognizing the universality of suffering, we can begin to unravel its underlying causes and find liberation from its grip on our lives. A practical tip for working with dukkha is to recognize and accept your sufferings. Rather than avoiding or suppressing painful experiences, allow yourself to fully acknowledge and embrace them. Use these moments as opportunities for growth and transformation. Reflect on the nature of suffering and its impermanence, recognizing that it too shall pass. Cultivate compassion and kindness towards yourself and others who may be experiencing similar struggles. By embracing the reality of suffering, we can develop greater resilience and compassion. We learn to navigate life's challenges with grace and equanimity, knowing that each moment of difficulty is an opportunity for awakening. Through the practice of mindfulness and self-reflection, we can transcend suffering and find true peace and liberation. This wisdom lies at the heart of Buddha's teachings, offering a pathway to freedom from the cycle of suffering and the attainment of lasting happiness and peace. Conclusion. In conclusion, we've uncovered 8 profound secrets from Buddhism that offer invaluable guidance for mastering your mind and finding inner peace. From mindfulness meditation to embracing impermanence, cultivating compassion, and practicing non-attachment, each secret provides a unique pathway to greater clarity, wisdom, and contentment. By integrating these teachings into your daily life and spiritual practice, you can transform your relationship with yourself and the world around you. Remember, peace comes from within, and by following the wisdom of Gautama Buddha, you can unlock the true potential of your mind and live a life of profound joy and fulfillment.